Welcome to Physics Cartoon Camera. Today's science fact is: can we reduce power consumption by running fans at slow speeds? Yes, we can save power with the new electronic regulators, but not with the old regulators based on the rheostat. Speed of a fan, as we know, is controlled with the help of a regulator. The old regulators are based on the rheostats, which have 5 or 6 steps corresponding to different speeds. They consume a fixed power all the time. If we select the highest speed, all the powers is fed to the fan's motor. If a lower speed is selected, electric power proportional to the selected level is fed to the motor, and the remaining power trapped from the remains is wasted as a heat in the rheostat. That's why when we run the fan at a slow speeds for a long time, the regulator becomes hot. The new electronic regulator now available in the market are based on the semiconductor device called track. Track is a trademark of the General Electric company. It is an electronic switch designed for the power control and phase motor. According to Encyclopedia, using track, power output can be continuously varied from 5% to 95% of the maximum power without any loss. Depending on the speed selected, the electronic regulator draws from the mains only the required power, so it is prudent to use the new electronic regulator and save power. Thanks for watching my channel. Please subscribe to get more scientific facts daily at 5 pm. Thank you. Jai Hind.